Enough muttering to that plaything. We descend to the valley now. Follow. The wilds can be dangerous, Aloy. You will need to stay close and do as I say.
I know.
Now, you're still scratched up from that fall you took yesterday. So let's start there. Take this medicine pouch. I'll show you how to fill it. See this plant over here? It's called salvebrush. Come, gather its berries in your pouch. Aloy, come now. Gather the berries. Good. Now eat the berries.
In possession there. What a chance here! And the keeper has done his job, but it was made simple for him. Being pressed here. Promising look. It feels a little bit like Heroes is feeling my thunder here.
Yeah, I don't feel seen.
No, there's a lot of stories with all of us. Tell one of those.
Can I make one small suggestion? Less childhood drama, more meerkat.
Rafiki, I know who Charles is gonna be.
Oh, me too. It's so obvious. But maybe just so we're on the same page, tell me.
Fix that. It's my job to fix it. I want you, Captain America, to help me rebuild the Avengers. Work with me, Sam. We'll show the world a better way forward.
Go, go, go!
Poland's Prime Minister Donald Tusk has made a surprise visit to the Ukrainian city of Lviv. He met with President Volodymyr Zelensky to discuss the ongoing Russian aggression against Ukraine. In the meeting, Tusk has pledged more military aid to Kiev and announced the opening of a new border crossing between the two countries. Tusk's visit is also meant to reaffirm Poland's continued support to Ukraine.